Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I'm back with an update for the Blogspotomatic plugin, as this plugin is able to publish posts on Blogspot blogs, or if you want to say on Blogger blogs from Google. So the new update for it will allow it to also upload images to Blogspot, as this was not possible until now, as the images which were published in posts which were pushed to Blogspot were linked to the old WordPress site from where the post was submitted. But today the images will be able to be uploaded also to Google storage, Google Images storage, and Blogspot will be able to use them directly from there. Okay, so let me show you this feature in action. You will find Blogspotomatic linked in this video description, so I will be testing this feature on this example site. So testing Blogspotomatic, and we will be able to use this feature. So in the latest update for Blogspotomatic, you will find this new checkbox in the WordPress to Blogspot menu: copy images from published post content to Blogspot storage. So keep in mind that after you update Blogspotomatic to latest version, you need to reauthorize the app. And also one more thing you need to do is that you need to enable Photos Library API in your Google API account. So this is important, as the Photos Library API is used by this new feature. So you will need to have both Blogspot and Photos Library API enabled on your Google API account. They are both free. They are both ready to be used directly after you enable them. Just enable them on your Google API account. So after you did this, and after you also checked this checkbox from the WordPress to Blogspot menu, we will be able to publish posts on our site. So for example, add new, and let's write here testing Blogspotomatic image feature, and the content of the post can be anything, and we will be able to add here, for example, a featured image, and let's select a nice featured image, this one. This is okay. Set featured image, and all we need to do is hit publish on this. So after we publish this little testing post, we can head to our Blogspotomatic test page, and on my Blogspot blog the post is already published. And if we inspect this image, we can see that it is on googleusercontent.com, which is the Google Images link. So we can also check it here, but keep in mind this is just a short testing post, and you can publish any longer posts also, but I published only this little short testing post. And also keep in mind that if you have images in the post content, they will also be uploaded to Blogspot. So not just the featured image, for example, like I showed here, but also the images added to the content of the post will be same way uploaded to Blogspot. So the image is on Blogspot right now. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these videos that I create. If you have more suggestions or ideas, let me know in the comments. Everything is welcome. Until next time, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.